If your transport company is still adding more workers every time your fleet grows, you're solving the wrong problem. The world's most efficient fleet operators aren't hiring faster. They're building systems that don't depend on more people. Here's why that changes everything. Every transport company reaches the same turning point. Business grows, more vehicles are added to the fleet, schedules become tighter, and suddenly the depot starts feeling smaller, even when the physical space hasn't changed. The first reaction is almost always the same. Hire more people, extend working hours, or create additional washing shifts. It seems logical, but in reality, these solutions only increase operating costs without solving the underlying problem. The real issue isn't the number of buses, it's the efficiency of the process behind them. Manual washing depends on people, and people naturally introduce variation. One shift finishes faster than another. One team cleans differently than the next. During peak periods, vehicles begin to queue. Supervisors spend more time coordinating tasks, and managers lose visibility over daily operations. As fleets continue to expand, this complexity grows even faster than the number of vehicles themselves. That's why many of the world's leading transport companies have changed the way they think about depot operations. Instead of asking how many workers they need, they ask how many repetitive tasks can be standardized. Vehicle washing is one of the first areas where automation creates measurable value because it transforms an unpredictable process into a consistent one. Every vehicle follows the same sequence. Every wash meets the same quality standard. Every turnaround becomes easier to plan. More importantly, automation doesn't just improve the washing area, it improves the rhythm of the entire depot. Maintenance teams receive vehicles on time. Dispatch departments work with more predictable schedules. Managers gain clearer operational visibility, and drivers spend less time waiting for vehicles to become ready for service. At Go&Go, we don't see automation as replacing people. We see it as giving your team better tools to operate a growing fleet without multiplying complexity. Skilled employees become more valuable when they focus on inspections, maintenance, safety, and customer service instead of repetitive cleaning tasks. That's how modern transport companies prepare for long-term growth. They invest in processes that continue to perform whether they operate 20 buses today or 200 buses tomorrow. The goal isn't simply to wash vehicles faster. It's to build a depot that scales with your business. Because every investment should make tomorrow's operation easier than today's, not more complicated. The companies that succeed over the next decade won't necessarily own the biggest fleets. They'll be the ones that operate those fleets with the greatest efficiency, consistency, and control. If your fleet is growing, don't wait until manual washing becomes your biggest operational bottleneck. Tell us how many buses or commercial vehicles you manage today. The Go&Go engineering team is ready to help you explore an automated washing solution designed for your depot, your workflow, and your future expansion.